So let's see the next point. So this is the 9th number point. The name of this point is Virudhi Kalam, or in the Sanskrit we tell it Chipra Marma. Chipra Marma, we are having total four Chipra Marma in our body. 2 Marma available in the palm, which we have discussed. We have already discussed during the Prana Marma session. And 2 Chipra Marma we found at the feet here. So these are the 2 Chipra Marma point, or the name of this Marma is Virudhi Kalam. Again, we can see this is not an ordinary point having a special authority, and the name of this point is Virudhi Kalam. In the acupuncture, we are telling this point liver 2, which is half chun away from the wave margin. But as per the Marma Shastra, we tell it Chipra Marma. This Marma point is very much useful for many conditions. Like this Marma point is very effective for the knee pain, because right now we are working for the knee. Not only knee, this Marma point having multiple indication. Like this Marma point, one of the very good point for liver and heart. If someone is suffering with the liver disorders, so what is the liver disorders? The meaning of liver disorders, the problem of the liver, the fatty liver, the heat in the liver, and if someone is suffering with a vision problem, eyes problem, that also we can consider under the liver. So this Marma point is very effective for the liver, and also this Marma point is very good for our heart. If someone is suffering with the heart problems, so we can stimulate this Marma point regularly, and with the help of this Marma point, we can bring the good energy in the heart. This Marma point is also be used in the emergencies. If someone is suffering with any emergencies, we can use this Marma point. So the name of this point is Chipra Marma Virudhi Kalam. The indication number 1, it is very good for the knee pain. The indication number 2, it is very good for the heart and liver. The indication number 3, it is very good for the lower back pain. And indication number 4, it is very good emergency point. We use this point during the emergencies. What is the emergencies? Like heart attack, like sudden spasm in the lower back, like some emergency condition connected with the uterus, like some sport injury. You were someone going from somewhere and suddenly fall down, having pain everywhere in the body. So during the sports injury, we can use all the 4 Chipra Marma, 2 Chipra Marma in the palm and 2 Chipra Marma in the feet. As soon as we all the 4 Chipra Marma, we can rectify the pain happened because of the sport injury. So right now our concern is knee. So this Marma point, one of the best point for the knee pain, especially if bringing the strengthening in the ligament and tendon of the knee joint. How we stimulate this point? Let's see. So let's see how to stimulate this point. We are also stimulating this point during the emergencies, but I am not showing right now the emergencies management treatment here. I'm just showing for the knee pain how we stimulate this point. So let's look at here the practical demonstration of this Virudhi Kalam or Chipra Marma. So this is the first toe, this is the second toe. If we take the toe and we fold the toe, so we can see the knuckles here. This is the first knuckle and this is the second knuckle. So in between the first and second knuckle, we can see the central point here. The central point is called Virudhi Kalam or Chipra Marma between 2 knuckles. So we are just keeping our thumb pad here and we are doing press and release, press and release, press and release. So I am showing with the help of index finger so that you can see very clearly. So we are doing press and release, press and release, press and release 10 to 12 times. So we are doing with the help of thumb pad, press and release. So this is the normal stimulation which we are doing for the knee pain. During the emergencies, point will be same, but stimulation will be different. But right now, this is the, I have demonstrated the technique to handle the knee pain with the help of this point. So this is Viruddhi Kalam or Chipramarma. This point is very effective for the knee pain as well as for the sports injury. This point is very good for the heart, for the liver, for the all the condition connected to the liver, like vision problem. So look at here once again. We can see this is the knuckles of these two toes, and between the knuckle we can feel the depression here. Between the knuckle we can see the depression here. This is the location of this Marma point. So we are doing press and release, but we are not using fingertips. This is the wrong stimulation technique. We can use the finger pads or we can use the thumb pads. So with the help of thumb pad, we can stimulate this point. So this was the stimulation of Chipramarma or Viruddhi Kalam. In the Marma Shastra, this point has been explained as the emergency Marma point. So so this point found between the first and second metatarsal bone between the knuckles. So we have seen this point, the stimulation of Viruddhi Kalam. Let's see. So after doing this, the point, even after doing this, I will tell you this treatment is incomplete till you clean the colon of the patient. Because many patients suffering with the knee pain, as per the Ayurveda, knee pain has been considered under the Vata disorders, Vata disease. And if you want to rectify the Vata, so you have to compulsorily clean the colon. For cleaning the colon, either you can do the Ayurveda treatment or you can take some purgatives for few days. But taking the purgatives for whole life is also do the damage of the colon. So the colon cleansing is very much required if someone is constipated, suffering with the gas, bloating, acidity, indigestion, then it's very difficult to treat the knee pain completely, permanently, and with very good results. So the number one technique, we should do the colon cleansing. And number two technique, this is called Potli Sek. So we know this is the extra information for you. If possible for you, then you can do this. So there are lots of leaves. As per Ayurveda, they are very good for the knee pain. Like we tell the leaves of Nirgundi, the botanical name is, I will send you the information of botanical name in the groups. Something Vitex nirgundo, something like that. And the leaves of castor, if you crush them and put them in the Mahanaran oil or Narayan tail or Mahanaran oil, and like how we are cooking the vegetables, if you cook that two types of leaves, castor and nirgundi, in the Mahanaran oil, in the same way what we are cooking the vegetables in our kitchen, and you have to cook these two types of leaves minimum for 10 to 15 minutes. And after cooking, you put them in the cloths, and while putting in the oil, in the warm oil or in the hot oil, if you do the massage in the local area of the knee, then this is called Portly Sek. If suppose the leaps is not available, then also you can get the one prepared powder from the market. The name of that powder is Maharashnadi Quat. Maharashnadi Quat. It is in like a dry form. So there are many quats, but I cannot tell you and I cannot make this very complicated because Ayurveda physician is taking these medicines as per the constitution of the person. As per the different person, they are taking different thing. Even I am taking the separate thing for everyone, but the Maharashnadi Quat is the very simplest and very good quat for all the patient suffering with the knee pain. And you put this Maharashnadi Quat in the Mahanarayan oil. Mahanarayan oil or in Narayan oil, and do little warm, and after that put them in the potli and do the massage. So first you apply Mahanarayan tel on the local area, and after applying the Mahanarayan oil, you can do the potli massage. So how to do the potli massage? We are telling potli sake, putting in the oil, balm oil and applying on the knee. Then again putting on the balm oil and applying on the knee. The temperature of oil will be as much warm as patient can afford and wear. So doing this treatment for 20 minutes and doing the colon cleansing If you do this technique, then you can work very nicely. And remember one thing, if patient is constipated, patient is suffering with the bloating and gas, then it's very difficult to treat the knee pain permanently. So even you can refer some Ayurveda doctor for this purpose. So who can give you right pathway how to clean your colon. But Marma point can be stimulated by you only. And you can apply the simple techniques to do the colon cleansing, because right now it is very difficult to go anywhere during this lockdown period. In the Ayurveda treatment, we give ashwagandha tablet for increasing the bone density. So we are giving ashwagandha tablet, one tablet twice a day with the milk. And just I demonstrated you the Nirgundi Potli Sek. Sometimes we use only Nirgundi leaves. And Rashna is the very effective medicine. In the market, the combination of Rashna Erand tablet available, that is called Rashna Erandadi tablet. If this is not available, then Rashnadi Quat in the liquid form is also available in the market. So you can take 20 ml twice a day. So when you take this quat, put the equal amount of water in this quat and dilute it and take twice a day. And if this available, Drasana Erandadi, this is the combination of Rashna and Erand. This is a very beautiful combination. There are many pharmacy are making this tablet. I have given to many patients only this formula. This formula contains 3 medicine: Maharashnadi Kada, Gokru Kada, and Punarnava Kada. So you tell the patient that eat little, do not overeat, and keep clean their colon, and just you give these 3 liquid medicines: Maharashnadi, Gokru, and Punarnava Kada, and you will see the tremendous results in the swelling of the knee, pain in the knee. Just take 15 ml, 15 ml, and 15 ml. So total 45 ml. Put equal quantity of water then take twice a day. And the person who is suffering with the constipation, they can take Haritki tablet at night with the warm water. And the last thing I will suggest, the Sallaki tablet. This is a very good tablet available. And many companies are manufacturing, like Himalaya and many companies making this tablet. And this is the one of the best tablet. The patient suffering with the knee pain can take two tablets. This tablet also increasing the bone density. So it means that it is not that you should take all the medicine together. You are having multiple options here. But Haritki tablet, which is good for the constipation, you should take if you are constipated. So with the help of this medicine also, you can treat the knee pain patient very successfully. And this is just a one formula. And why I advise this medicine? Because these medicine are very simple. These medicine are not complicated. And even many person who is studying little bit Ayurveda, even they are not doctor, they are very well aware with the help of these medicines. So with the help of these medicines, you can, with the help of ashwagandha, you can increase the bone density. With the help of nirgundi sek, you can remove the back pain. So in this way, you can apply, you can take these types of medicines or treatment, whatever available in your areas. So this is the completion of this protocol, okay?